Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. My name is Martin and I am going to be talking about the latest Lucid stock news. It is in a class of its own. We will be talking about its futures, where this company can be heading, and most importantly, what its stock can do. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, the like button. No, keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Join the community, hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos. I have links down below to very nice promotions, especially with Moomoo. If you open an account right now using my link down below, you will get a free stock valued up to $3,500. Put in any amount of money into that account, you get an additional free stock valued, again, $3,500. If you put in up to $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. I have had a lot of people now tell me that they are receiving Tesla stock using my links. Please check that out before these promotions are too late. Now, I did want to just transition and talk to you about the Lucid Motors stock. It has a very nice potential and it is doing quite well, especially in the past 1 month. We have been up over 100% in its stock price. We are going to be talking about where it is going. There is a brand new analyst out there that is reviewing the Lucid Motors stock, and it is giving us a very nice price prediction. We will be talking about this and more. Next, I did want to transition and talk to you about this article from Investor Place. The title of this article is Behind the Wall. The CFRA analyst says that Lucid stock is in a class of its own, and this Wall Street analyst gives his take on the Lucid Motors stock. So this stock has been doing quite well. In the past 1 month, it has gone over 100% in its stock value, and it definitely has a lot more room to grow. According to this analyst, he did originally have a price target in October of $35. He did just recently now increase that stock price prediction for $65 in the next 12 months, and he does give very valid points for doing this. First of all, he does mention that right now, Lucid Motors is the only vehicle in the electric vehicle luxury niche that has no competition out there. The only competition that the Lucid Air has is the Tesla Model S. And this vehicle is quite old. It hasn't really changed its body style since the year it came out in 2012. Pretty much this is a vehicle that has been around. Now, it does have very good fuel efficiency when you look at its electron consumption. Being an electric vehicle, it is very efficient as a vehicle. It is a very nice performing vehicle. But whenever you go down into this, it does not have that beautiful luxury that you can get in the Lucid. With Lucid starting off at $77,000 in its base price is the Lucid Pure. This vehicle has that technology, but it has the luxury that is missing in the Tesla Model S. In addition to this, its range of battery life is a lot more than any other electric vehicle out in the market currently. It does outcompete the Tesla Model S long range by 115 miles, which did give its award for doing this. This analyst does say that the Lucid stock is the next Tesla. He is comparing this now to Tesla, and he is saying that the valuation of the company currently as it stands is about $90 billion. Now, there has been a lot of controversy out there when we do talk about the valuations of companies. But right now, when we do compare the Tesla stock is right now over $1,000 a share, and it has a limited upside according to this author. Now, Lucid is simply a better looking and a better battery powered vehicle, and it is backed by that leading industry EPA certified range of 520 miles. But not only this, it has that race-driven battery technology. But in addition, again to this, we have that luxury that no other vehicle in the EV space is out there. I definitely think that Lucid Motors is going to capture a lot of interest. I have been saying in the past videos, it is going to take Lucid Motors approximately 6 months to be known around the world. They are doing quite well in getting this out there, especially since we had Motor Trend announce it as the car of the year for the year 2022. This is going to be great news moving forward. I do think that Lucid will have a very nice brand there, much like Ferrari in the automotive industry. Remember that Lucid right now has been compared to Ferrari with its performance. If you look at the amount of horsepower that you're getting with this vehicle, it has the most horsepower of any production vehicle. It is even more than the Bugatti. Let me just show you very nice milestones that the Lucid Air Dream Edition has. So this is all the vehicles, all the models that you can get this year in the year 2021 with the Lucid Air, going from the Dream Edition, the long range, the performance, and also the Grand Touring. The best and premium in its class, the fastest if you want to look at speed, is the Lucid Air Dream Edition Performance. It does have over 1,111 horsepower. It does also have a very nice range, depending on the wheel size, of 471 miles on the 19-inch wheels. And for the 21-inch wheels, we have 451 miles. If you want more of the range, then you do have that range, the R edition of the Lucid Air Dream, which does decrease its horsepower just by a little bit to 933, but it does give you a very nice estimated range of 520 miles on those 19-inch wheels. The 21-inch wheels does bump it down a little bit to 481, but again, you are having very nice range on this vehicle. If you do go into the Lucid Air Grand Touring, you do have 800 horsepower, which is a very nice still horsepower for this vehicle. And you do have very nice range. Again, 19-inch wheels does give you that 516 miles. The 21-inch wheels does decrease the mileage a little bit on all three of these trims to about 460 miles. So again, very big and important numbers when you do look at the performance of the vehicle. But in addition to this, you have that huge luxury. The fastest vehicle that Lucid does produce is the Performance 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. If you do get the long range edition, it does have a 0 to 60 of 2.7 seconds. And also the Grand Touring is about that 2.7 seconds. So you are getting a very good performance. Hence, they are calling this the Ferrari of the EV industry. But not only are you getting this fast speed and this great performance, you are also getting that luxury. Right now, Lucid Motors has the best luxury out of any vehicle, and it will definitely compete and continue to do so. I did just want to also share this very nice chart with you. When we do compare Lucid Motors to the best performing automakers in its stock price year to date, Lucid does outcompete against all the other vehicles, and this does consider internal combustion engine and EV companies. Now, when we do look at its returns in the past 1 year, year to date, look at Lucid Motors outperforms everybody by 410% returns since it first came out as the CCIV SPAC when it was at $10 a share, but it has gone up quite a bit in its stock. When you do look at Ford Motor Company, it is one of the second highest producing rates of return at 133, followed by Tesla in the next year to date at 64% upside in year to date. So when we do compare this, again, you are having a very nice movement in its stock. I did just want to transition to the stock price. Right now, we are at $51.77. In the past 5 days, we are up on Lucid LCID stock by 9%. In its stock, it has gone up about $4.30 in the whole week in the past 5 days. When we do look at in the past 1 month, we are up 96% since we did start in October 26th at $26.40. We have gone all the way up to 110%. We have had those resistance at $55. We are near that resistance right now. If we do look at its stabilization point, looking back in the past 2 weeks, our stabilization is at $47. Before that, it was about $40 on November 10th. So again, it has been about 2 weeks since that low of $40. A lot of people are asking me, cannot this stock go below that $40 again? If it does go below $40, you are getting a steal of a deal, in my opinion. If it goes below $40, it will not last long, as a lot of retail investors will definitely be purchasing this stock under $40. Could it hit there? It is a big if. The big ifs are, how is the economy going to be looking in the next few weeks. I do think that there is a lot of downward pressure on the stock market, especially if we look in the US debt ceiling moving forward on December 3rd. It will be expiring. Lawmakers will need to make some decisions and to renew the contracts for the US government to have money to be opened. So I do definitely think that that can provide some downward pressure. We are also having some COVID numbers spike. Anytime we have bad news out there in the stock market, we do have a downward pressure. Now, if it does go below $40, it will not stay there long. So get these stocks as soon as possible. Right now, I am saying that anything below $43 is going to be that bottom. There's a lot of people that are saying this stock will not go that low. Well, and if it doesn't, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just predicting my predictions based on past trades and what this company is worth. Does this company have a lot of room upward mobility? Definitely it does. And we saw this with the price predictions. I did just want to transition and give you the wallet investor price predictions. The last trading we had was $51. We are around that point right now. Next 1 year forecast in the next 12 months, $71 roughly. In the next 5 years, $150. These numbers continue to go up. I have been mentioning that as we are starting to have more technical analysis and past trading evaluated. This stock does look like it has a lot of nice room to grow. I definitely think that you should do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock, as I am not your financial advisor, but definitely this is a very nice stock to hold long term, in my opinion, at least for 5 years. But if you like this video, please give me that huge thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos. Don't forget to take those advantage of my Moo promotions using my links down below. If you open an account using any amount of money, you're guaranteed to get 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Put in more than $2,000 into this account, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued $3,500 for a total of 5 free stocks. So please take advantage of that while this promotion still lasts. Thank you so much for all your support, for watching. Please continue to share this video with others around YouTube, with your family, your friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, as we are growing this channel quite nicely. Thank you again so much for all your support. And please go out there and make some money, do your own research, but most importantly, have fun, love one another, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you and have a great day.